Guys, we're gonna make the most decadent, epic burger of all times. Stick around. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can get the alerts on all we're doing. Alright, stick around. Alright guys, we got the ingredients here. We got an onion that we're going to use for the caramelized onions. Got smoked Gouda for the bechamel, some Brie for the burgers. Got our steak burgers there that we're going to flatten out, our lobster tails, and some butter and thyme and rosemary for the cook. Alright, come on. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are going to be making the most epic, delicious, delectable, decadent burger you've ever tried, okay? So we got some lobster that's gonna be poached in butter. We got steak burgers. We got some Brie to put in there. I'm gonna make some caramelized onions. I'm gonna put a little smoked Gouda bechamel on top. And we got some brioche buns, all right? Okay, and one more thing. This is part of a collaboration with 5 other YouTube channels that we decided to get in there. I love doing these collaborations. That way I can show all my people, the people that I'm working with. You know, the YouTube cooking community is huge and it's a great friendly bunch, so I love working with them. And it gives me ideas to work on dishes for you guys, all right? So this one's the Epic Burger Challenge. It doesn't have to be big, it just has to be epic. So I'm using decadence and I'm not using like size, although it's probably gonna be a pretty healthy burger too. All right, so the group on this and all the links will be below. We got Kenneth, who I like to call KC, at What's New Barbecue. We got Steve at Not Another Cooking Show. I've referenced him before. Kirby at Kirby's Fish and Grill. Again, I referenced him before. Scott at the Real Show BBQ. All these guys I've been working with a long time. And Rich at Rich's River Smokers in West Virginia. All right, so all their links will be below. Check them out, tell them I said hi. They're doing the same thing. I've already seen a picture of Steve's burger and it just looks outstanding. All right, so I know the rest of these guys are gonna do it upright. Okay, come on back. All right guys, we're back. We're gonna show you how I put this thing together. So I've already cut up some of the Brie that's over here. I cut off the little outside white rind part. I got 4 little chunks in here and I flattened out these burgers in the middle. So this is gonna be one big burger, but I'm gonna try to pinch these sides in like this so nothing falls out. And we're gonna do a simple seasoning on it. We're just gonna do a little salt and pepper, a little cracked black, and a little Himalayan pink salt. Okay, real simple. All right, I'm gonna slice up these onions. I don't really think you need me to slice on camera, but I'm gonna make thin onion strips because that's how you're gonna make them caramelized. They're gonna just clump right on the middle. Gonna cut up these lobsters, put them in some butter. I'll show you that on the stove with a little bit of thyme in there. So it's thyme and butter poaching the lobsters. And I gotta grate the Gouda for the bechamel, which is what I got the flour out for. So we're juggling a few things to make this thing epic. It's gonna be worth it. All right, come on back. All right guys, we're back here. We got the lobsters in some melted butter here. So we're gonna poach these in butter. I have it on very low heat. It's gonna take a little bit of time to do. Speaking of thyme, I put some thyme in the butter, okay? And then I have, over here, we have some butter and rosemary working in the cast iron for the burger. Like I told you, this is gonna be decadent. This is gonna be the real deal right here. All right, and then we got some butter working over here for the caramelized onions. I've let this burger come up to room temperature so it doesn't seize up completely. I'm gonna put it in, seasoning down first. Put that over there. We're gonna season the top over here with butter and salt. I told you we're gonna go real simple on this. Oh yeah. And you know that rosemary and the butter goes so well with the burger. Get the onions in. The butter's ready to go. And we're gonna cook these slow also. So they're gonna get nice and golden brown, if not a little bit darker. Okay, so we're gonna let these go low and slow, let them caramelize real good in here. Let's flip this bad boy, see where we're at. Oh yeah, look at that caramelization. My seal on here is not as good as I'd want it to be between the two patties, but we'll just have to deal with it. That's what happens when you're really cooking. Sometimes things don't go what you planned. No big deal. I got the poached lobsters out. They're sitting in the butter. I left a little of the butter in here there's a couple little thyme leaves in there. Not hurting the thing. Now we're gonna put a little butter in here. We're doing even parts, butter to flour. We'll put a little flour in the butter. All right, we're gonna whisk this up, get it cooked through. Okay, we're gonna pour some milk in this bad boy and get it going. We'll make it nice and thick and luscious. All right, once the milk thickens, tightens up, thickens up, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna add the smoked Gouda in there, mix it, melt it through, and then we'll have our cheese sauce. Okay, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're ready to build this burger. I toasted my brioche buns. All right, we got the burger on top. It's done. Spoon on our smoked Gouda bechamel in there. Oh yeah, poach the lobsters. And we're gonna put them on real nice and thin on here. All right, we got our caramelized onions. Put these on there. All right, and we got our topper on it. All right, I'm about to stand up for this. Let's give it the old cut and little cross section. What do you say? I'm excited for this. See if I can do this without destroying everything. Without squeezing out the side. All right, there's that wonderful cross section. What? How's that looking, T-Bone? We good? All right. All right, come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, we got all the pictures done for the gram and for the thumbnail. Now it's time to dive into this thing. This is decadence and debauchery right here. I'm gonna, what Guy Fieri said, get that hunch in. Shove it all in. You see the little brie that melted in there? It's so good. I'm excited. Mmm. Mmm. Got a little on my face here. The beard's gonna need a shampoo after this. That is so decadent. The bechamel, the lobster. The burgers are steak burgers. They're not even just regular burgers. They're, you know, prime steak burgers. Straight steak burgers. So good. Lobster's killing it. Tons of flavor with the onions. This is too good. Y'all need to try this. Wow. All right. Proud of myself. Another one. Good job. All right. Ingredients below. Comments below what you think your epic burger should be. Check out the channels below. Scott, Rich, Steve, who else? Kirby, and KC, Kenneth, all right? I'm excited. I can't wait to see what they put out. All right? That's it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.